just waiting for a call. It's gonna start in 10 minutes. So right now I'm actually just looking at the towel samples that we got from the towel shops that we went last Saturday. I was actually trying to decide on my vanity color and the countertop, and I was having such a difficult time trying to visualize, so I just decided to like take the towels out to see if I can get any inspirations from looking at the towels. So yeah, I'm having a difficult time because the countertop color that I wanted is not available. So I feel like I need to like change things up. So I don't know. I am running late, so let's do this quickly. As I've mentioned in my first Adulting Diaries video, today is my boyfriend and I's 8th anniversary and we're heading out to dinner, so that's where I'm going right now. So yeah, this is my outfit for the night. I wanted to go for something casual yet kind of put together, like quite nice but still casual, and more importantly I wanted something that is comfortable, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this blouse with lots of like roses on. I have not worn this top in so long, and I actually got it from Malacca, which is our second trip together, so that's a very long time ago. I found it and I thought it would look nice for today, so I decided to wear it. Also, I'm bringing this bag and I don't quite like it. I don't know why everyone looks so nice wearing this bag, but I feel like this is the only bag that I have that matches this outfit and is able to carry my camera, so this is what I'm bringing. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys at the restaurant. Also, I didn't really style my hair today, but it turned out quite nice and natural looking because I assumed that I would tie my hair up later on. So I just like straighten it a little bit, make it look a little bit more neat, and that's it. So pretty! I'm reaching the restaurant, but my boyfriend is gonna be late as usual. Am I at the correct place? Jeez. My hair is super frizzy right now because I had to run under the rain twice earlier on. Thankfully, it's no longer raining.